In this video, we are going to learn how to find the profit percent and the loss percent when the CP and the SP are given. So, as we learned earlier, we know that CP is the cost price and SP is the selling price. So, when I'm talking about CP and SP, I know that there is either a profit that is happening from the CP to the SP or there is a loss that is happening. This profit or loss depends on whether the SP is greater or lesser than the CP. Now, we have learned in the previous modules how an original amount changes to a new amount and there is a percentage change. Now, this concept is exactly the same concept of this one. Here, when we are talking about profit or loss, we are talking about nothing but the change which occurs. When we are talking about the profit percent or the loss percent, we are talking about the percentage change. So it's going to be the same. So since we know that percentage change is nothing but the change upon the original, the same way the profit percent or the loss percent will be same as the profit upon original, or in case of loss, the loss upon original. Let's take a clear look about the profit percent and the loss percent by using examples. Okay, in these particular examples, let's look at the first one. A shop bought each cycle for 4,000 rupees and sold it for 6,000 rupees. Calculate the profit percentage. So there is a SP and there is CP. So let me first write the CP. The cost price is nothing but 4,000 rupees because the shop brought these cycles at this particular original amount. Now the SP is 6,000 rupees. Now, if I have to find what is the profit percent, I have to first find what is profit. So I am finding profit. Profit is nothing but the difference in the SP and the CP. So profit is equal to what is the difference between 6,000 and 4,000? The profit will be 2,000 rupees. Now, how will I find the profit percent? Profit percent, to find this, I'm going to make my flow chart. So, first comes my CP, and to my CP, then I'm getting my selling price. For my CP to be converted into the selling price, there is a profit percent that's being added. Now, if you see this, profit percent is nothing but similar to the increase percent and loss percent is similar to the decrease percent. Now, if I have to find what is the profit percent, I am going to write profit percent is equal to the profit or the change in normal terms. This particular thing compared to the cost price, which is 4,000. But what is the profit I have? My profit is 2000. Now I have a fraction with me. This particular fraction should be changed into a percentage. So I know that 2000 and 4000 can be cancelled because 2000 into 2 will give me 4000. So 2000 ones and 2000 twos. So this will be 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2, when I convert into percentage, it will be 50%. So what is the profit percentage I got here? I got 50% profit. Let's go to the next question. Julie bought a gold chain for 8,000 rupees. After 2 years, she sold it for 6,000. Clearly, the cost price is greater than the selling price. What is her loss? I'm going to make a flow chart first. Initially, this is the amount she bought it for, 8,000 rupees. This is the original price. Now, she is selling it for 6,000 rupees. I have to find what is the loss percentage. Even before I find the loss percentage, the first thing I have to check is the change or the loss. What is the change or difference or loss here? It is nothing but 8,000 minus 6,000, which will be 2,000, right? Now, what will be the loss percent? Loss percent or the profit percent is always compared whatever change is there, that is compared to the original price. So this 2000 is going to be compared to 8,000. So that gives me this. Dividing both with 1000, it will give me 2. This will give me 8. Again, dividing both the numbers with 2 table. This will be 1 and this will be 4. So the final answer will be 1 upon 4. But this is a fraction. Loss percent should be in the form of a percentage. When I change this 1 upon 4 into a percentage, loss percentage will be 25%. And this is how I calculate loss percent. So percentage change and finding the profit and the loss percent is the same thing. In percentage change, the terms we use are like increase percent and decrease percent. In profit and loss, the same concept is addressed in a different way as profit percent and loss percent.